Are you searching for best resin 3D printer in 2023? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best resin 3D printer on the market. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Number 1. ELEGOO Resin 3D Printer. ELEGOO Mars 2 Pro MSLA 3D Printer is ELEGOO first 6.08-inch LCD 3D printer that uses monochrome LCD and COB UV light source. It has 50 micrometers XY precision and high printing speed at 1.5-2s/layer. Extra building volume can meet most of your printing needs from industrial parts to board game miniatures. Moreover, the printer has a brand new light source that offers better UV emission to deliver a crisp and accurate print quality. Speaking of its build quality, it has a CNC machined aluminum body and a sandblasted build plate that should last for years. In fact, it even comes with a built-in activated carbon that helps absorb resin fumes and keeps the 3D printer safe and clean to use. Best features: CNC machined aluminum body, built-in active carbon, 1-year warranty. Number 2. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 3D Printer. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 3D Printer is one of the cheapest and beginner-friendly resin 3D printers you can find on the market right now. The screen light transmittance of ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4K reaches an industry-leading 7%, helping faster printing curing speed, single-layer exposure curing time as low as 1.5s, and printing speed up to 50 mm/h, which saves half the time compared to other ordinary resin 3D printers, allowing you to get the model faster. This resin printer features a 4K monochrome LCD screen. The 3840 by 2400 high-definition resolution prints sharper and more detailed models. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4K printer is equipped with a 6.23 inches screen with a maximum print volume of 6.5 by 5.2 by 3.1 inches. The monochrome screen lasts for X longer than the RGB LCD screen, and a replaceable scratch-resistant film. Number 3. ELEGOO Saturn MSLA 3D Printer. Since ELEGOO has many good resin 3D printer options to choose from, if you want to print large-scale models, you can choose this ELEGOO Saturn MSLA 3D printer. ELEGOO Saturn 2 Resin 3D Printer adopts a 10-inch 8K mono LCD screen with an HD resolution of 7680 by 4320 and an ultrafine XY resolution of 28.5 microns, outputting outstandingly detailed 3D models with a cure time of only 1-3s per layer. The scratch-resistant tempered glass above the LCD screen with 9H hardness for better light transmission and protection. The Z-axis is designed with dual linear rails and non-slip hexagon socket leveling screws for ultra-steady, accurate movement and remarkable printing performance. Number 4. Comgrow Upgrade Resin 3D Printer. Comgrow brand is well known for providing high-quality 3D printers at affordable prices. They have also come to be quite a reliable option due to the after-sales customer service. This Creality resin printer uses new generation optical system, which adopts the light principle of reflection plus refraction. Compared with the directional matrix light source, the integral light source makes the light intensity distribution of the whole screen uniform and each dimension of the model with consistent accuracy. The advantages of high precision, high saturation and 80% plus uniformity perfectly solves all kinds of defective printing. The 3D resin printer Halid 1 is equipped with 5 inches brand new touchscreen with simple interface for easy human-computer interaction, clear visual effect and strong control sense. Printing status, functions and parameter setting are clearly displayed. The Z-axis of 3D printer's resin is designed to have linear rails and T-shaped screw rod. Number 5. Phrozen Sonic LCD Resin 3D Printer. Sonic Mighty 4K provides a 9.3-inch printing area that empowers makers to print bigger and larger quantities in a single batch. Phrozen Sonic Mighty 4K comes with a 22 cm Z-axis and dual linear rails, allowing creators to produce tall and spectacular tabletops, such as gigantic dragons or large ogres. The stronger Z-axis also prevents the 3D printer from wobbling, which provides the user with a stable and reliable printing process, high 4K resolution, multi-resin compatibility, quality prints and consistent success. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.